There are key segments and key features in the formula of an understudy mindset. Number 1. You should be focused. What's to come is extravagant for their move. Just the individuals who are transporters of order can acquire what's to come. I need you to remain inspired. I couldn't care less in the event that you need to hear me out multiple times. I need you to remain inspired also. I need that inspiration to develop into discipline. I need you to act naturally mindful, so I need you to recollect that you are continually learning. In life, you are continually learning. For therefore, I need you to put a stock in yourself. I need you to see yourself fit, adorable and unequivocally deserving of your future. Transform your torment into progress. I need you to see yourself. Something that numerous understudies need is vision. You had the opportunity to see yourself before you arrive. You need to hear yourself advising yourself. Much obliged. I need you to open up your ears. Open up your ears, since the you from what's to come is advising you. Much obliged. Much obliged to you for not surrendering when you needed to surrender. Much obliged to you for not being discouraged. Much obliged you to for not permitting the brokenness to eat your advancement. Much obliged to you. Much obliged to you. Much obliged to you. You got this. It will get hard some of the time. I am disclosing to you at the moment. It won't be simple in any case. It is justified despite any trouble. Perhaps you are turning into me at the present time. You need to get more fit, or you are attempting to brush through the list most important test, or then again perhaps there's simply this accomplishment that appears like it is difficult to transform your torment into progress. Transform your torment into progress. I need you to be awkward with normal. I need you to be unfavorably susceptible to average. I need you to arrive at the finish of yourself. Such countless individuals are relying upon you. Student on understudy is dedicated, on understudy is intense, can adjust, have a character, consistency, show boldness on the day by day, stay inspired, stay positive, procure your regard, have a triumphant disposition, inhale content, concord no reason, set objective, practices extraordinary propensities, stay centered. You need your future. You got to outwork everyone on the field. You got to outwork everyone in the room. You had the chance to figure out how to perform under tension. You had the chance to forget about everything on the field. Everyone needs what's to come in any case. Everyone needs to be normal. There will be times when you have an inclination that you are losing your patience. For therefore you concentrate for quite a long time. Furthermore, you will take a test. Furthermore, you won't pass. On understudy is true. On understudy is focused. On understudy is submitted. On understudy is predicatable in an event when they would prefer not to be, since the pattern of misery needs to end with you. The pattern of insufficient requirements to end with you. The need and the brokenness and the omniscience, and these things that your family and your dad and your mom have experienced, you need to keep on understudy mindset. I examined it and I bombed the test. I contemplated and I bombed the test was more. Life is a though war, and it is loaded up with tests and tests. What's more, crucial points in time where you must burrow somewhere within yourself. What's more, wonder why. For what reason did you start in any case? Also, what was the feeling, the explanation, what was the science, and the brain research behind the choice that you made. Also, multiple times out of 10, I can disclose to you why you began. You began in light of the fact that you were ravenous. Craving is the inclination of distress or shortcoming caused by or absence of food combined with a longing to eat. How eager would you say you are at the point when you went to quit, at the point when you went to give up all that you worked for? Recollect why you began. Recollect how you felt when you began. You were ravenous at the point when you need to give up, at the point when you need to give up, at the point when you need to stop, at the point when you are prepared to stop, at the point when you have fizzled and flopped. Once more, allow me to remind you what got you here. Hunger got you here. A powerful urge got you here. You were frantic to break courses in your family. You were urgent to break the pattern of neediness and despondency. You were urgent. Yearning got you here. Recollect this. Each fantasy requires discipline. Each fantasy requires discipline. You can venture to the far corners of the planet and study understudies and their practices and their mentalities. There is a science behind accomplishment. Furthermore, when you study the best understudies on the planet, we find that they are mindful, they are support, they are independent, they are mindful, they have a durable understudy attitude even after they have breezed through the assessment, since they comprehend that life is a test also. In life there are ups and there are downs. Those acknowledge the obligation. Consider yourself to be principally answerable for your results and your encounters. You will require discipline. Inspiration will assist you with beginning, yet discipline will keep you headed for your predetermination. You had the chance to act naturally separate. You had the chance to discover reason in what you do by finding by significant objectives and dreams. In case you will be ineffective understudy, in case you will end up as the winner, you must begin dealing with your time. You plan and you make a move in quest for your objectives and dreams. So let me reveal to you something. Everyone has a fantasy. In any case, there is a conduct that should follow your conviction framework. Recall this. Conduct flows in vacation in the event that you have not had the option to change your conduct, to coordinate your fantasy at the point you need to return and analyze your conviction. Since multiple times out of 10 on the off chance that you can't change your conduct to coordinate for fantasy at that point you don't accept. At the point when someone accepts, everything changes. The opportunity is approaching where you will want to surrender, yet you must recall why you began. You had the chance to furrow profound and figure out how to make opportunities for yourself whenever no one gives you a chance. You need to transform your work into your message. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.